Is Google Play Store not working on your Android phone? Are your apps stuck on downloading or update failing? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you some easy steps that can help fix this problem. Check your internet connection. First, check your internet connection. Open a website or another app to make sure internet is working. If you are using Wi-Fi, try switch to mobile data or switch from mobile data to Wi-Fi. Restart your phone. Restart your Android phone. A simple restart can fix temporary problem with Play Store and other system service. Check your storage. Make sure your phone has enough free storage. Go to Settings. Click About. Then click Storage. And check the available space. If your storage is almost full, remove unnecessary files or apps. Check date and time. Date and time turn on automatically date and time. Incorrect date or time settings can sometimes causes by Play Store connection problem. Clear Play Store cache. Long press Play Store app. Then click App Info. Click Storage Use. Then click Clear Cache. This removes temporary files and doesn't uninstall your apps. Clear Cache Google Play Service. If the problem continues, find Google Play Service in your app settings and clear its cache as well. Then update Google Play Store. Open Play Store. Tap your profile picture. Go to Settings. Click About and check for Play Store update if the option is available. Try downloading again. Finally, restart your phone and open Play Store. Search for any app and game, download or updating it again. If the problem still here, check whether your Android system has pending software update. I hope this step help you fix Google Play Store, download and update problems. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.